A new J.D. Power study shows that millennials, aka Generation Y, are highly dissatisfied with their insurance. Further research indicates that millennials just don't care about insurance. Why? Effective coverage analysts have come up with a few simple reasons. The reasons make sense in context, but unfortunately, logic provides no protection whatsoever from risk. I'm Eric from Effective Coverage. Let's talk about millennials. First, they just can't be bothered with insurance, especially renter's insurance. Millennials just don't care about renter's insurance. You have to remember that these are the same people who have inherited the absolutely worst job market for new college graduates in 70 plus years. Unfortunately, they have to move home when they graduate. When they do get on their feet, they end up with busy careers and busy lives. Insurance, especially renter's insurance, is unfortunately just not on their radar. Second, millennials are the first generation to be trained to fear customer service interactions. Millennials do anything in their power to avoid picking up a telephone and dealing with a customer service representative. Third, millennials never want to be forced to actively deal with a bill. Along with hating phone trees and hold times, those under 30 are more likely to use automatic payments or get their bills by email and pay online. Not all insurance carriers offer these services, and millennials want nothing to do with opening a bill in the mail or writing a check. Fourth, millennials know their market segment is important and expect to be treated accordingly. The largest demographic group in the country rightly expects to be treated as a major buying force. A company that's not responsive to their specific needs is not going to do well with this segment. And in many ways, the insurance industry as a whole has not adapted to serving this generation. And fifth, the entire view of the insurance industry has been slightly tarnished by health insurance. Millennials are the least likely group to have employer-paid health insurance, which means they have to spend hours or days dealing with and acquiring their own health insurance. This incredibly negative experience with one segment of the insurance industry bleeds over onto the entire industry as a whole, making Generation Y reluctant to deal with any kind of insurance. Now, if you're new here and you're a millennial and you want to get a great deal on insurance, you've come to the right place. EffectiveCoverage.com is the only provider dedicated specifically to renters. So go right online. Don't bother giving us a call. You can buy your policy at EffectiveCoverage.com. Thank you for watching Effective Coverage for Renters.